Today, we'll show you how to assemble a NexSens land-based monitoring system. Sensor selection may vary, and additional resources are available through the manufacturer. You'll want to configure any sensors and data loggers before mounting. For NexSens loggers, view the video linked in the description. Land-based systems may be mounted to existing structures or on a NexSens mast. Only basic hand tools and a few supplies are needed for system setup. If needed, written instructions for assembly can be found online at the NexSens knowledge base. Let's get started. We'll begin with the Gill MaxiMet Weather Station. Attach the mounting bracket to the pole using the included hardware. Route the MaxiMet cable through the mount's opening and connect it to the weather station. Secure the sensor onto the mount with the indicator pointing to true north. To power our system, we'll use an SP15 solar power pack. For installations in the northern hemisphere, mount the bracket with a clear view to the south using 2 U-bolts and the supplied hardware. With the solar panel in place, pin the center hole of the mount with the first screw. Tilt the panel to the desired angle and secure it with another screw. Moving on, we'll use the PM2 mounting kit to attach the X3 data logger to the mast. Align the U-bolt and mounting bracket on opposite sides of the mast. Slide the grounding ring onto the U-bolt and secure everything using the included hardware. Place the X3 on the bracket and tighten it in place, ensuring that the body tag is visible. Install the ground lug in an open threaded hole on the bottom of the X3. Insert and clamp the ground cable. Next, we'll mount the Geolux Non-Contact Level Sensor. Place the Geolux sensor on the mount with the sensor facing downward and tighten it in place. Attach the mounting bracket to the pole using the included hardware. Plug the cable into the sensor connector and route it to the X3, but do not plug it in yet. For water quality measurement, we'll be using a YSI EXO2s. A 914M deployment pipe with a pipe extension is recommended for land-based applications. It will secure the sonde in place and protect it from debris. Ensure that the deployment pipe is attached to a stable structure and angled in a way that keeps the probes submerged. Once everything is secure, lower the sonde into the pipe and route the cable to the data logger. With everything installed, plug the sensor cables into their predetermined port on the X3, and then connect the solar panel power cable to the center port. Now is a good time to confirm all connections in WQ Data Live to ensure that the system is recording data properly. Finally, secure any loose cables with cable ties. And that's it! Our system is complete. For more information, contact a NexSens system specialist, and the online knowledge base provides additional resources. With hundreds of easily integrated combinations and a plug-and-play system, with NexSens, it's never been easier to configure and deploy a custom environmental monitoring solution. NexSens. Better data. It's never been easier.